Hey Dayz, let's go back in time a little bit. It's December 6th, the day before Chase's birthday, and he wants cake and pizza, so we're gonna get him. We get to Mega Mart and Christmas season was popping here, so after 3 seconds, he chose a Black Forest cheesecake. I don't know if it tastes good because I don't like cheesecake, but everyone who tasted it loved it, so who am I to judge? Anyways, his choice of pizza is Domino's, and I know Jamaica's customer service sucks because why is she talking so low that he had to put his head through the window? Do better. We headed back home and made him pre-game for his birthday with a slice of pizza. It was perfect to him, but to be honest, the pizza to me and daddy was salty. And finally, the day has arrived. We lit his bird, sang him happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Shay. Listened to him scream and make all sorts of foolish noises. He made his wish, ate his slice of cake, and I saved a slice or two for my older brother, who was also born on the 7th of December. Happy birthday to my big brother and my little brother.